Hi, chat. Oh, I'm super shiny today. Oh no, it's because it's kind of sweaty in my house. Oh well. such is the way these things go. I guess I could go wash my face, and that would be less shiny. But hello, to Marsha Socks. Oh, whoa, clear hunch. We're gonna replay this one because I feel like this is a big deal. Clear Hunch has resubscribed at tier 3 for 6 months in a row and 7 total. Thank you for your continued support, Clear Hunch. It's good to see you again. We're back for another stream. I forgot to say the date. Oh my goodness. I'm all over the place today. It is May 28th, which means I forgot to pay rent. I'm going to put my checkbook over there so I remember to pay rent before I go to bed. Hopefully that's enough to remind me. We'll see. But yeah, welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to be doing a front-endy stream, which I don't know. I don't plan to actually write all that much code, all that much front-end code. Most of it's going to be like infrastructure in getting the front-end code working properly. Oh yes, and I'm going to be drinking a Grenache, the Rocks. it's a Spanish wine. I had some last night. It's real good. I am a fan. Yeah, just gonna pour myself. Oh man, I should try. Left here. Anyway, cheers, chat. Let me say hi to everyone who's here, and then we'll get started. Let's see. Oh my god, so much chat. JJMC, who was first today. Hello. Good to see you. Marsha Socks, of course. Welcome. A lot of Marsha. Fallen Cato, good to see you. How's it going? And Clear Hunch. Hello. Yeah, shiny Anthony. Not even like a cool shiny, like just face shiny, oil shiny, sad shiny. GHA. Hello. Good to see you. Oh hi, nerds. Oh hi to you too. Priox, how's it going? Kim Biko. Hello. Vukan, welcome back. Hello. Bum. Wait, what are we kicking out? I don't know what we're kicking out, Marsha. Nuclear Eagle Fox says Reliant K. I haven't heard that name in years. Yes, I'm a fan of Reliant K. I like their music. This is from a concert that I went to in 2010. 2011. 2010? Yeah, it must have been 2010. Where Reliant K opened for Paramore. And I'm still salty about this to the day. Reliant K opened for Paramore, and I only got to see Paramore perform one song. And the reason for that was my girlfriend and I got into a fight because there were, quote, too many lesbians at the concert. And so, unfortunately, we left early. Which I'm still sad about because I really would have wanted to see Paramore. But, you know, you can't win them all. But yeah, it's Reliant K, and that's what I'm wearing today. Oh god, Anthony's getting drunk. I don't think there's enough in this bottle for me to get drunk, so I think we're good. Marsha says, I found this and changed my colors a little bit. Oh, you have picked the new Ubuntu purple. I see. Unless this is different than what I remember. Brand color palette. Never want this to be all. Yeah, no. I've definitely done that before. Oh, I see. Yeah, this might be their new colors because they've changed them again. They've changed the Ubuntu purple like twice in the last 4 years for reasons. I don't know. Modern design. As you do. Hello, Clear Hunch. How's it going? But yeah, I was sad that I didn't get to see Paramore. But what are you gonna do? RKJ says, been a while since I caught a stream. 1 AM here, so can't stay long. Yeah, I know. With my new stream schedule, it's kind of rough on everyone. But hopefully, I'm planning to move towards the East Coast. And in theory, when I'm on the East Coast, I will be able to stream in the morning before work, so that my work hours line up more with the majority of people that are in the area. And yeah, then we'll have EU-friendly streams yet again. I'm excited for that. Too many lesbians to choose from. Let me be clear. I had no problem with the lesbians. It was my girlfriend who was like a bit, well, not just a bit, extremely homophobic. And yeah. And then I was like, what the fuck? Let them be. And she was like, we're leaving. And I was like, shit. But, you know, that's the way things go. Hey, what's up, Maniac? Hello, hello. Good to see you again. Welcome back. Hopefully you're doing well. Garhench says, I got broken up at a Mumford & Sons concert. Oh my god. That's rough. Oh man, Mumford & Sons. I've seen them once in concert. I think I opened for U2, which I wasn't too enthused about U2, but Mumford & Sons were good. Good. But yeah. D-Dels, hello, here for a short time. Yeah, I know, usually you go to sleep because it's late for you. It happens, I understand. Kimiko says, I did a hand heart thingy to Haley Williams during a Paramore concert and she had one back. Yo. Goals, right there. That's amazing. I'm so jelly. Modern design means more purplier. Yes, yes. They've got a passion for CSS. You know, this is actually kind of a cool little chart here. Although, I would have, you know, put a little bit more padding here. Well, let's see. Do they have a class that we can do? Tint percentage. No. P list. That seems like a too generic type. What happens if we do P list and then do padding? Oh, no, that's not what I want. How do I add a style? Plist, li, padding, 3px. Let's give it more padding than that. How about 6px? Nope, nope, come on. 6px. There we go. Much, much nicer. A significant improvement. I don't know why they don't hire me as a designer. Actually, I probably would have gotten more padding than that, but at least it's not touching the edges anymore, so that's a good thing. You'll have to update the colors for your Splains videos. Nah, we're just gonna keep it. I'm too lazy to keep up with their coloring. I'm okay keeping the old branding. Portland isn't on the East Coast, neither is Chicago. Yeah, we'll see where we end up. I'm still not 100% sure. Team No Coast says D-Dels, but yeah. Yeah. I mean, I don't think I'm gonna end up on a coast, so. But yeah. Red flag, yeah, 100%. Calzoon says, yay for EU-friendly streams, 2 a.m. here, cheers anyway. Yeah, the plan is to better accommodate more people. Because right now, it is not easy to accommodate as many people. But the thing is... The thing is, if I stream early mornings Eastern time, then it'll be like 3 in the morning SF time. But I mean, you can't please everyone. I'll you know, try and mix it up a little bit. We'll see. Deep Space 2 says, I raise with 3 a.m. Nice. DL says 4-day weekend. Whole company got today off because CEO is being nice and it's Friday, so I'll be gaming. Nice. Sounds good. Sounds good. Yeah, I don't have today off. I do have Monday off, so we will be streaming on Monday. Well, we normally stream on Monday, but we will be streaming more and earlier on Monday. So that'll be good. That will be good. That'll be fun. Looking forward to that. A P list is a purple list, but this one's orange and is also a P list. We will never stay up until Anthony hits the bottle of his wine. I mean, there's not that much left because I had a couple glasses last night. But, yeah. I get a 3-day weekend because Memorial Day, so I get 3 whole days to figure out how the hell to do gaming live streams with an active VTuber on a weak laptop. Ooh. I don't even know how that's gonna work. Wika says, you know what's really East Coast? Japan? Avian Constabulary! I feel like you've been to the stream before. Your name sounds familiar. in that I definitely pronounced it kind of weirdly. Welcome back. Good to see you. You've been here before, right? Right? Yeah, we got 11 messages here. You've been here before. Nuclear Eagle Fox says, how do remote people decide where to live? Wherever the hell they want. Well, honestly, the way a lot of people decide where to live when remote is picking income taxes and, you know, places that they want to live near. Yeah, so like for me, when I'm considering remote work, I'm personally thinking of being closer to my family and you know, friends that I grew up with, um, you know, other things like that. Being away from here. That's the real answer. Oh. But yeah, I don't know. I think, you know, everyone has their own way of deciding where they want to live and why they want to live there. Yeah. Pre-commit auto update live stream. Yeah, we might be able to watch it live. Watch the graphs go live. That'd be nutty. Did somebody say VTuber? I'm not a VTuber. This would be a pretty fucking impressive. Could you imagine if I was just a projection? I think I would be less shiny if I was a projection though. So taxes, huh? So what you're saying is Belize. Yes, I'm gonna found my own island where I am offshore. I don't know. Fadajin, hello, welcome back. Good to see you. All right, so what I wanted to do today. Actually, before we get started, I said I was gonna do Frenity stuff, but I think I have one pull request to review. Uh-oh. One commit ahead. All right. I was making it so that you can comment pre-commit.ci on pull requests to re-trigger pre-commit.ci, and occasionally I need to debug other people's stuff, so I'm adding a teeny tiny backdoor that allows me to run pre-commit.ci on people's PRs, just so I can debug stuff easier. So that's what this was. I did this a couple days ago, but I forgot to push. If we get through the CDN stuff, I'm going to move all my deployments into GitHub Actions because I keep forgetting to push. And yes, it's not good when I forget to push, so we're gonna do that. Ermac, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you are doing well on this fine Friday. God, it feels like it's been an extremely long week. Cool Codes, thank you for the follow. Welcome. But the pull request we're gonna be looking at today is another one to Pi Upgrade and another one by Marco Corelli. Teeny tiny backdoor. I'm calling this. Look, it's not a security backdoor. It's a debugging backdoor. It's fine. It's fine. Not a problem. I missed my mob emotes. Where's the gift sub? Shaking my head. I don't know. Where is the gift sub, Marsha? Okay, but this is a pretty straightforward update, and honestly, I don't think it's gonna affect very many people. It converts splat of list comprehension into splat of generator expression. And where's the AST parser? Yeah. So, oh, visit start. Huh. Interesting. I would have thought it would have been in visit call, but I guess it is in visit start. Where can start expressions exist? Whoa! Whoa! Sarcastic Dante with the 2 fucking years of subdom. Damn. Welcome back, Sarcastic Dante. It's good to see you. Hopefully you are doing well. Thank you for your resub. My god, 2 years. It's been quite the journey. It's been quite the journey. Hey, what's up, Off the Band? Hello. Neurum says, how come my pre-commit hooks run fine on my machine but fail on GitHub? Are you running a different Python version? Which specific pre-commit hooks? Which ones are you talking about, and how do they fail? I can guess like 3 classes of problems are like 1, they're based on an activated virtual environment. 2, they're based on the Python version that you're dealing with. Or 3, you have a configuration file that you didn't check in. Those are the usual common cases there. But I would only say that from having experience of people not, yeah, not describing problems well enough and me being able to guess about it. Can you paste 5 megabytes of error message? Let's know. No. Let's know. Okay, this is interesting though. Because it is just visiting the start nodes. Preferably a screenshot of the text. No, stop it. I don't actually know of all the places in the AST where start can appear. I think it's class defs, function calls. Ooh, list literals and set literals will also have this. Does that work in list literals and set literals? It must. X for X in range 5. Some big number. Yeah, that works. Interesting. Wow. What's the chance that all of those were in order? That seems really unlikely. Did I just get like super lucky? That the hash seed happened to be in order? Or does set print them in order now? Is that a thing that I forgot happened? Weird. That's not what I expect, but I guess it's fine. Okay, so this is another place start expressions can exist. I wonder if we just look at the AST module, if it tells us all the places, because that would be cool. We're literally triggering his issue PTSD. No, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Alright, start. Following expression can appear in a following expression can appear in assignment context. Is it saying all of these can appear in assignment context? I don't think you can assign to a list comprehension. So it's only some start things. And they can appear outside of an assignment context. I don't know what this is talking about. Yeah, I don't know what that means. Start. Typically a name node, but not always. Yeah, so this is a start with a name node, but fortunately we don't have a name node here. We have a splat, like this one. Okay, so that's not very helpful. But it does handle... That's unrelated, but also funny. Yeah. Okay, but anyway, I think this is fine, you know. Is a start expression and the value is list comprehension, we can trivially convert that into a generated expression. So replace list comp brackets. And that function, what do you do? Replace list comp brackets. We find the opening brace, so we search to the right for oh, there is a matter here. So there is a slight micro bug here. But it doesn't matter. It's just a weird no-op. Marco Gorelli. I really like Marco's name. I don't know why. I just do. It just feels like a good name. Temporary failure in name resolution. That's because I did not type.com for some reason. Fix that. Zabik, whoa, thank you for the raid. Welcome, raiders. Let me give you a shout out so that my viewers can check out your channel as well. Welcome, welcome. How y'all doing today? Hopefully your Friday is going well. We've got Chips SF Gaming. We've got Momi Jamala. Of course, we've got Zapik. Hello, hello. Good to see you all. What were you working on today? I got pre-commit via brew. My code is going. Failing hook is pre-commit going with ID go test repo mod. Error looks like go proxy fuse connection. Oh, is that in pre-commit CI in your? The pre-commit CI doesn't allow network at runtime, so anything that does like go install is going to fail there. I do have a planned feature for that later. Unfortunately, it opens me up to a bunch of risk and cost, so it will be a paid feature. But yeah, there is a known pre-commit CI issue about that. Hey, what's up, me? Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Sponsored by Black Formatter. Oh no. You can assign to start expression when unpacking. Yeah, I'm familiar with that, but I don't think you can assign to like start lists. I don't think that part matters here. Oh no, Anthony about to change his name just so he can say Marco Corelli. No, I'm not that weird. Chips SF Gaming says, "Hello, I would like to bother the boys." Kind of a weird. The translation of molestar is a little bit strange, if I recall correctly, because it doesn't mean molest; it means bother. And yeah, Clash of Code as usual. Oh yeah. So I was planning to do a stream of what's it called? BinarySearch. Where's Access playing BinarySearch, and my friend is the CEO, CTO, founder, something or another, of BinarySearch, which is like Clash of Code but slightly different. So I think it would be cool to play through some with chat. Oh, you know what? I could probably do that as a channel point reward. Would you guys want that as a channel point reward? Something like that? Maybe? Clash of Code all day? Nice, 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 nice. Oh, it means bother. Okay, yeah, I remembered correctly, Chip says that. Perfect. Godbo says your chat is too OP. What do you mean? What is it exactly? So the way it works is it's basically like a lead Cody type question where you like race to answer it, and then you can see everyone's solutions, and it's I don't know, it's just kind of cool. It's kind of cool. Hey, what's up, Bagel? Hello, hello. Kamiko says how many points? I don't know. It would have to be like enough to not do it constantly, you know. Mortal else says, "You're looking extra oily today." All right, I'm gonna wash my face. I'm gonna wash my face, chat, because you're making me feel self-conscious. I'll be right back. Oh boy. I basically waterboarded myself there. Am I a little? Oh, I'm still fucking shiny. God damn it. Oh well. Such is life. That's the shininess you're just gonna have to deal with. No meat, please. Says you kind of look like Tom Cruise. You know who? Somebody finally found one, and I was like, yeah, you know, I do kind of look like this person. Where is it? I don't remember what this person's name is though. Oh, it's in the name of the file. Kind of. Do you see it, chat? Do I look like this guy? We both do the same, like, toothless smile. He also has blue eyes. This is Nathan Fillion? I don't know. Apparently from Firefly or something. I don't know. I've actually never seen Firefly. Lumi says there's no 24-hour stream, so there will be at some point. I will bring it back at some point. I just haven't done that yet. You do have mop emotes, Marsha. Somebody must have gifted you a sub. 100 points and half a pack of gum. 3,104. Is that how many channel points you have, Avian Constabulary? That's Rudy's obviously just cosplaying Gudra. Oh no. BinarySearch looks cool. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Gem Rock says, how hard is getting color for usernames from Twitch for your chatbot? It's actually pretty easy. Let me show you how that works. If you do bang bot, you can also get the link to the bot. So you don't have to type it in like I did. So there is this blob of info at the beginning of the chat messages. As long as you enable some like capability. Yeah. So you have to enable this twitch.tv/tags capability. Basically saying like I can understand what Twitch tells me, and then it'll give you more key value information in there. So that comes along through here, and then I don't know why that's in bot permissions. My modules are all over the place. I have not. Yeah, here you go. So this is the parsing's pretty straightforward. Split on semicolons, split on equals, assign. And yeah, from there I just converted into terminal escapes, and it just kind of works. Do you want to see something else really cool though? Gem and Rock that's related but different. I don't know why this thing resets. Why is it not letting me zoom? Gotta scroll wheel this, I guess. So real cool thing. All right, nobody talk for a sec. Is this what it is? All right, now you can spam. Go for it, chat. Talk as much as you want. Preferably with emotes. Yeah, there you go. Look at this. Emotes in the terminal. Fancy. You look like that nerd from Firefly, Nathan Fillion. Yeah. Easy now, that's a big brag. You look like him but older. Oh, oof. Oof. You've never seen Firefly? Unsubscribe? See, the thing is, I don't even really watch TV, so yeah. Did you secret? I didn't gift you a sub, Marsha. Someone else gifted you. It wasn't me. Please watch Firefly. You're starting to damage my calm. Oh no. Enhance your calm, says Marsha. Oh, you were trying to be a fancy boy and use pie. I see, Avian. But you could have gone further. You could have gone, 3.1415926533889679522883279502884197169399375105. What's after that? I think it's a 6. I don't remember after that. Anyway. You could have gone with more digits. Once Marsha isn't the one being bonked. Yeah, wait, why did Preox get bonked? Oh, bang bot. Yeah. I see. Twitch bots are basically admin of code solutions. It's true, they're basically parsing problems. Hey, Juicebox Hero. Hello. It's good to see you. Hello. But hello twice. It's like hello. Whoa, what was this one? What are these emotes? And why do they look different in the browser? Oh, because they stack in the browser. That's weird. Weird. Who was it? I mean, if you open up the Twitch homepage, it should tell you who gifted it. Unless there's a way to anonymously gift subs, but I don't think there's an anonymous gift sub. Really watches quality TV like CSI Cyber? I don't watch any TV. Pi is a trigger in this channel? Yeah, yeah. Anthony, can I get those digits of pi? Think you have more memorized than I do? Good job. Yeah, it's for dumb reasons, but if you do it backwards, I'll be impressed. Yeah, you know the last digit of pi is 7. You heard it here first. Hey, what's up, David Pratt? Hello, hello. Kimiko says, hi, Juicebox Zero. Like how Tofu jumps down the stairs. It's more of like a scoot. She like scoots down the stairs. Juicebox Heroic. Let's look at that Tofu scoots. Oh, look at baby Tofu. Remember when Tofu was this small? Remember when Tofu was this just tiny Tofu? And then what happened? But look at these scoots. Look at these scoots down the stairs. Tofu scoots. Scoot, 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 scoot. Yeah. Jammin' Rock, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you are doing well. An anonymous gifter gifted you a tier 1 subscription. What? I didn't know you could do anonymous gift subs. That's wild. Everyone knows memorize pi to woo chicks. Yep, 100%. That's how it goes. That is exactly how it goes. The girlies love those digits. Oh. It wasn't me. I promise it wasn't me. Alright, we're gonna switch back to the other terminal. So don't talk for a second. Okay, now you can talk again. Assuming this doesn't crash. Because sometimes it crashes when I switch. Okay, we good. We good! Tomorrow we get to see Tofu try and scoot all over the hike. It's true. It's true. I'm going on a hike tomorrow. With Juiceboxer. The feed cache! Alright, right. Yeah, we're reviewing this patch. Oh, I was gonna show you the thing that's kind of weird. 7VF. If I can quit Shaggy, it wasn't me. Isn't the joke about that song though that it was him? And he was just saying it wasn't him? I don't know. Let's see, I'm guessing this is Splat List to Splat Gen? Yeah, probably. Okay, so this will take foo star list convention 1 for 1 in range 1. But I bet that it doesn't do this. If I had to guess. Why is this Pi 3 Plus? Shouldn't it work for any version of Python? Wait, why didn't it rewrite it all? Wait, what? Did I check out the wrong branch? No, that's the right branch. What? Wait, what? Why didn't this work? This is the most basic case possible. What? Can it assign to literal? Oh. Syntax error. Okay. Yes. Wait. How did it know? Wait, somehow his code is smarter than I thought it would be. Wait, how does this work? Find comprehension opening bracket. Wait, where's the code for this? Steve Bandito, thank you for the resub at 11 months. Hello to you. It's good to see you again. Why didn't TTS work? Did TTS not work for you guys? I'm surprised it didn't say hello. Hold on. There we go. Did it not do it the first time, or did I just tune it out? TTS didn't work? Okay, it worked this time. We're good. Hello. Good to see you again, Steve Bandito. Welcome back. I didn't hear anything the first time. Well, okay, then I'm not going crazy. We're good. Yeah, so what happened here? How did this work? I feel like it shouldn't have worked. Yeah. So... Oh, you know what? I know what happened here. I know exactly what happened here. Oh, this is great. This accidentally works for a different reason. The reason this works is PyUpgrade will take extra parentheses and remove them. So the first pass that it does is it changes these into parentheses. And then the second pass that it does is it removes the redundant ones. Oh, that's so good. I love it. Completely unintentional, but also pretty awesome. Okay, so the question is, does this need to be Python 3 only? I don't think it does, but... Let's see what happens if we do print star 1 for a in range 3. Yeah, it works fine in Python 2. Oh, but you know why it doesn't work fine? Oh no, it should work fine. Because the scoping of generators is... Wait, is the scoping of generators in Python 2 fucky too? Or does it make a new scope? Like, does this leak a syntax error? All right. I know the loose comprehension leaks scope. Does a generator expression leak scope? No. Okay, so that's the difference. That's why it's different. That's so subtle. But I get it. I understand. At some point, I'm going to change PyUpgrade so it's in Python 3 mode by default. But probably not today. The jury's still out and going crazy? Oh no. It's true. Womp womp womp, says Jam and Rock. So I guess Gandhi says I'm off to bed. Don't want to fuck up my sleep schedule again. Good night, everyone. Use Emacs. Well, thank you for stopping by, Sarcastic Dante. It's good to see you. Marsha says, night, fuck Emacs. I love you. Sleep well. Dream of Vim. Sorry, fuck GNU plus Emacs. Hey, what's up, Chow Papaya? It's good to see you. Welcome back. I was making womp sounds? Oh, well. As I do. Yeah, but this change looks very straightforward and correct. I hope it doesn't break anything. We'll find out next week. There's a lot of prints here. Guess it's fine. Cool. I don't think there's a test for the specific case that I was worried about. Why would anyone write code like this? This looks ugly. Should be dedented. And this should be right here. Anyway, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter as long as it works. Cool. Approve! What's PyUpgrade? PyUpgrade is a tool that I wrote that takes old syntax and converts it into new syntax. So things like, you know, the old set literal syntax to the new set literal syntax, or automatic dictionary comprehensions, or This is a newer one. It converts list comprehensions in some built-in functions to generator expressions. Format specifiers, printf strings, blah, 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 a bunch of other stuff. F strings is what people are really excited about here. It also will unsixify things if you have six-ish code. But yeah, it's basically like a destroy old things type tool. Oh, you wrote this? That explains why you don't know what the fuck was going on. Well, I didn't write this. Marco Gorelli wrote this. Well, this particular part, but yeah. Is this the same as 2-3? No. This is more like unto. Hey, what's up, Tubeworm? What if I like old syntax, Daddy Stilly? Well, then don't use PyUpgrade. I don't know why you would want the old syntax, but to each their own, I guess. Alright, I merged that. Did I merge that? I know I pressed the approve button. I didn't merge it for some reason. Alright, let's merge. Get clean! That's not what I wanted to do. And now we make a release. Git show name only. Format 2.18.3 was the last release. So we are going to 2.18.3 with 2.19.0. Oh god, how do I say that? Ochkolgra, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you are doing well. Did you scroll past the kitty gif without stopping? No, I saw it. I stopped on the kitty gif, but just long enough for me to recognize the kitty gif, which was, you know, a couple frames. It was a frame perfect scroll. gotta save those milliseconds. Marsma! Hi, Marsma! Thank you for the resub. It's 6 months. That gets you a fancy new badge. It's good to see you again. Hello. This is not Mimi. Thank you for the follow. Welcome. Oh, but Sarcastic Dante, I believe, is also in Poland. But yeah, it's late. Sarcastic Dante went to bed already. But it's good to see you again. Hopefully you're doing well. Two dot 19.0. Yes, git tag that. Let's this be this wheel. Yep, twine. Upload the thing. Get the PyPI password. Is the music loud today? I feel like it's a little bit loud today. Drew says, okay, Mr. Nthbonk, I gotta go check on Vale and Jacques' kitty. Yeah, go check on content. See you around. Time Traveler says, greetings from your neighbor from Mexico. Hello. Oh. Wait a minute. Is that who I think it is? Hello. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. MSG equals massage. right, Kamiko? Alright, let's push that up. I do like watching speedruns. Speedruns are fun. I have not really watched many speedruns in a while, though. Okay. So that is done and out of the way, and now we get to struggle through TypeScript, which I don't remember how to use TypeScript, so it's gonna be a fun time. Not typewriter, TypeScript. TypeScript getting started. I guess let's talk about what I want to implement first, and then we'll work on the actual code for it. So, what I want to work on is, yeah, right? Well, I could just do it with, you know, normal, boring JavaScript, but, so TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript that adds, gradual annotated typing and compiles to JavaScript, and I technically don't need it, but I kind of want to relearn it because I haven't. I mean, I tried TypeScript right when it came out, and it was okay. But I figured, you know, I'm doing typed Python, I might as well do type JavaScript at the same time. So TypeScript is like Webpack suffering. Oh no, do I have to deal with Webpack for TypeScript? Maybe we won't do this then. Okay, but basically the one of the two features that I want to do. No, no, not Webpack. Yeah. Webpack and I have had some fisticuffs. Okay, but anyway, what I want to do is I want to take this date field. This is the whole thing that I want to do. I want to take this date field and turn it into a humanized time. I seem to remember there was JavaScript time format. I feel like there's an MDN function for this. Did I bookmark it? Maybe I bookmarked it. It's not here. Oh, it'd be great if I wrote things down, you know? I did not write it down. No! You guys remember what the JavaScript function is that does like a relative date, but it's like built in? Built-in relative date JavaScript. The thing, like, right? Relative time format. Here we go. This is what I want. Okay, we found it. Good old purple links. I've thrown hands with Webpack. It was a tie. Time Traveler says, I started to learn Python 2 days ago. Still reading and reading. Yeah, there's a lot. Well, there's a lot to learning any new programming language. Jim Rock says, sorry, are you doing JavaScript or TypeScript? I'm planning to do TypeScript. I don't think I'm going to need much code, so it's going to look a lot like JavaScript, but we'll see. We'll see. Oh, yes, now that you found it, write it down. So the thing is, I think we're going to finish this today. He says with too much confidence. Rainy day tomorrow. Hello, hello. I'd use Moment way before I got to that point. Yeah, so last time I was like, I think I'm gonna use Moment for this, and then there were like 4 people in the chat that were like, don't use Moment. Moment's old and gross and slow, and I was like, oh, okay. And then someone pointed out that there's this relative time format thing that lets you just kind of take date times and do them nicely or something. Maybe. Although the function here doesn't look that useful. Formats a value and a unit according to the locale formatting options. What? Turns an array of objects representing the relative time formatted. What? I mean, let's just try it in the console, I guess. Intel dot relative time format. Oh, you need, oh, needs new. Okay. I thought I was gonna complain that I was gonna need to, happens if I grab this. Is it gonna be okay with that? Invalid unit argument. Or format to parts undefined. This thing is not gonna be that nice. Maybe I will use Moment or whatever the other one is that people like. Time Traveler says the only thing is I want to learn it. Well, then go for it. Shouldn't be too bad. JS be like 11 plus 1 minus 1 equals 110. Yep, 100%. XNU says I wouldn't use Moment. That is a heap of a mess. What would you use, XNU? What is a relative time format? 2 minutes ago, yeah, like what Kimpico says there. Too much confidence and none of wine. Yeah, pretty crazy this is built in. Yeah. Although it doesn't seem like it does what I want, so I don't know. I don't know. I mean, this is cool. But I don't know how I get the stuff into it that's useful. Like I need to go from a date time to relative time. We'll see. We'll see what this does. Simplex. Good to see you. Welcome back. Got my internet fixed? Hello, father. I've missed you. Is the internet your father? How new is this? Does it have good browser support? Yeah, so I looked at this before. I mean, we don't have IE, but I think we had everything else. Relative time format can I use? There we go. 95%. That's pretty fucking good. That's really good. That's, I mean, if you look at, what's another one that would be? Format strings? Can I use format strings? Template literals. Yeah, template literals are 95%, so like, basically the same. Doesn't supper IE. Oh no. Simplex says, you are my father, Papa. Just been chilling and practicing my Python. Nice, nice, Simplex. Okay. I don't know that this thing actually helps me. Well, maybe if we Google the name of this function and then from date time. So this will convert it to days. But I don't want it in days. I want it in whatever is nice. Like it could be seconds, could be minutes, could be days. Could be months. I don't want to write a bunch of code for that either. Here we go. 4 alternatives to moment. Oh man. The true shade article. So maybe I want date time format, not relative time format. What the fuck is this line? What? I like how they called their their date time format variable DTF. Oh, what is this? What have you sent me, Kimiko? What? Coworker is Internet Explorer. He sat in the same spot all morning. Interesting. I'm guessing this is Halloween. Interesting. Daddy Anthony, his lead hacker name is Big Papa Shell. JJS is good, even Chrome Lighthouse recommends it over Moment. Okay, well, we'll see if we can get date time format thing working or something like that. IE will be dead soon and certainly won't support Windows 7 anymore. Yeah, that's true. Genrock says, can't you convert to seconds? Yeah, I can convert it to epoch time. That's not hard. Word to Vect. Hello, hello. Neptunium, thank you for the follow. Word to Vect says, hey, they just want to jump in and say thanks a bunch for Flakegate and PyTest. They've been immensely helpful. Well, I'm glad you enjoy them. I do contribute quite a bunch to both of them. Well, that word got away. DTF only means date time format, has no other meaning. Yeah, yeah. I'm down to format some dates, says Mumi Jamala. Yeah, you and me both, Mumi. PCM, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. CZO Tomo says it's DTF with your sanity. Yeah, such is life. IE supper equals glue. Oh, that makes sense. He must be eating mayo straight out of the jar like a complete alpha. Oh. Oh. Gabrielle Portuga. Hello, hello. Welcome to the stream. Consume the glue. That was totally marshmallow fluff? Quite a what now? Yeah. That word got away from me. It's not my fault, I promise. Okay. Yeah, this isn't what I want. This is like so close to what I want, but I want it to like auto pick the difference. You know? What are you looking for? So I'm basically looking for, this is a Python library called Humanize. Python Humanize. I basically want this. This is what I want, but in JavaScript. Because it needs to format to the locale of the user. I guess I could just do it in server side. But then it has an auto update and it's not as nice. Yeah, natural delta. This is what I want. Like basically given a number of seconds, it will give me like either minutes or like here, if you do follow age. Except I can't do it on myself. So run bang follow age in chat. And that's kind of what I want. Come on, do it. There we go. So with DDELSP was you've only been following for 2 months, DDELSP? But you have a 5-month sub patch. What? Yeah, there you go. Whoa, we got some big numbers in chat. Yerm at 10 months? Josh Finney at 8 months? Jam and Rock for 26 whole minutes? Whoa. I unfollowed to mess with your numbers, so it's fair, it's fair. Is this what you want? Humanize? I don't really want to get something from NPM. Yeah, I think the Humanize Python library is actually based on the JavaScript library. But this looks not good. Like, I don't want this. I think I want this. I don't know. Mimslade, also at 10 months. Calzoon at 2 months. Zotomo at 2 months. Yeah, right? It's been 10 months already, Neurum. It feels like just yesterday, right? Oh, DDoS, you unfollowed to test the follow buttons too. Yeah, it makes sense. Mumi Jamala at 1 year, 5 months. The flex. Can be with the 12-month sub, but 8 follow ones. I understand. This is literally exactly what I want. I don't want. I want something that doesn't require me to add a dependency. Is that too much to ask? All right. This is kind of what I want, but not quite. Oh wait. Oh, it's a moment. It's like. Similar to moment duration humanize. Yeah, not really though. Lexon is created by one of Moment's maintainers. This is like when I was contemplating writing my own Writing my own test library. Wait, my bot is less sub than Sarcastic Dante? Oh shit. No way. Look at that. Yeah, my bot is only a 23-month sub. And Sarcastic Dante is 24. Huh. What's missing from relative time format? Basically, I would have to pick the unit. And, I don't know. Maybe I don't actually need relative time. Maybe I can just do normal DTF. You know? Because the problem is this is in UTC, which means nothing to anyone. But I could parse this and turn it into, you know, intel.datetime DTF format this invalid time value. Ugh. What are the options to date format? Date time format. Date style full, time style long. What happens if you pass nothing? Default locale and default time zone. Can I do undefined and then this? Does that work? Hello? Undefined and then that, which looks ugly to me. Oh, that is way too long. What are the choices for date style? Well, we'll try short instead of long. Surely that's a value, right? The problem is this is the wrong time zone. This should be date.utc. Not a constructor. I'm gonna get rid of the new. Invalid time value. Oh god, I hate date times. Date parse as UTC JavaScript. Make your own library. Don't be a beta. Write your own function. Yeah. I think my bot was around then, but I don't think I subbed. Because I don't think I had emotes. I think Sarcastic Dante subbed before I had emotes. And I think I subbed my bot just so it could have emotes. The date.utc accepts parameters similar to date but treats them as UTC. Like hell it does. Date takes the string. Date.parse. Oh, maybe this is what we want. Is there a UTC parse? Do I have to put UTC on the end? Yeah, implicit call. I bet if I put a Z on the end, it'll be fine. When the time zone is absent, when the time zone offset is absent, date only formats are interpreted as UTC time and a date time forms are interpreted as... Why the fuck? Why? Why is it inconsistent? Why wouldn't it just be both UTC or both not UTC? Ugh. What the fuck? Why? That's so frustrating. Okay, so I think we can do date.parse and then put a Z on the end. There we go. That looks correct. I don't like the date format though. Olmedo2000, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you are doing well. Yeah, I agree, Moomy Jamala. YYYYMMDD. Yeah. That's where it's at. None of this fucking... I don't even know what this is. Garbage. Not good. Humans were not meant to comprehend time. Time is illusion. Yes, indeed. Why is it inconsistent? You asked this to JavaScript? It's fair. Why? Because fuck you, that's why. Oh man. Dog's just like fucking vibing there. Look what I did. Punish me, you won't. There is a vestigial amount of time measurement based on solar cycles. It's not applicable. Use long instead of full. Oh, I was using full before. You're right. Oh, that's not better though. What if we force it to like the NGB or something? Is it -GB? No, that doesn't help either. Oh, you know what we can do? I bet? I think we can do numeric. What was the numeric thing? Year numeric. Use the browser's default locale. Use default. I hate this. You get that reference if you fucking watch Firefly? I'm sorry, Kamiko. I'm sorry. The dog picture amuses me because there used to be wallpaper. It's true, Jalen Rock. Dog didn't like it. DDels just adds dog to the end of each search query to make sure there's a cute dog in every picture. You can force individual components to be long/short. Yeah, this is close to what I want. This one... There. Okay, let's try date style, short, and year long. Year long. Year numeric. Alright, ENGB is fake. Defaults. And set year when date style is used. Can set year when time style is used. I'm not sure what I expected. Oh, I hate everything about this. This is not... I thought this was going to be easy. That's why I wanted to start with this. But it's not easy. Just update the date time manually every minute/day. Can you do math with dates? Yeah, you can. I could write my own version of this. Well, time for me to listen to Anthony get mad at code, and for me to get mad at Genshin Impact because I'm a noob. I'm not familiar with Genshin Impact. Is that one of those anime games? Is that one of those pay-to-win games where you have giant swords and large jiggly bits? Or am I not interpreting the game name correctly? You don't want to write your own version of this? Yeah, 100%. 100%. Indeed, and it's amazing. That was a complete wild ass guess. Ugh. I don't play any Jiggly games. It's not for me. I mean, don't get me wrong, I like Jiggly but I don't play games with them. You play Pokemon? Come on. I mean, you know what I mean. Pokemon may have Jigglypuff, but it doesn't have Jiggly bits. Wink, wink. Nudge, nudge. Alright, it doesn't have scantily clad women wielding large swords with not enough armor protection. We'll put it that way. Oh, I hate this. 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 Well, you know what? We can just do it. Make it do something for now, and improve it later. Yeah, improve it later. That's what we'll go with. Pikachu be thick though. It has scantily clad Pokemon. Yeah, but I'm not sexually attracted to Pokemon, Marsha. Kind of weird ass shit would that be? Oh yes, Gardevoir. Never mind. There's some fucking weird shit with Gardevoir. Cologne Panther. Hello, hello. Welcome to the stream. Pokemon are sexy though. To each their own. I'm not gonna kink shame if you're into that. If you're into that, then go for it. It's not for me though. Okay. How do I want to set this up? I'm gonna make an asset stir. Oh, let's do getting started with TypeScript. Follow this. Mirror Monitor. Hello, hello. Good to see you again. Simic says missing with that furry shit. Oh no. There's an entire subreddit for Gardevoir porn? Yep. 100%. There totally is. Are you talking about Onyx? Because Onyx would tear you apart. Like, so much. Or do you want the Crystal Onyx? Are you all about this giant glass crystal Onyx? Is that your jam? I feel like this was supposed to be a shiny Pokemon, but this is before shiny Pokemon were a thing. But it's not a shiny Pokemon. But anyway. Poor Cedar, some fuckwad is shooting off fireworks. Oh, because it's Memorial Weekend. Clone says, what is your favorite shell multiplexer? I occasionally use T-Mux, but I don't really like shell multiplexers because they kind of break a bunch of keyboard shortcuts and they break the mouse. So you'll notice that I mostly just, you know, deal with my terminal emulator and use the mouse to click on them. And I guess I use Alt plus the numbers to switch tabs. But yeah, I'm not really a fan of multiplexers. Although I don't know. I've used tmux. It's fine. I just don't prefer to do it. You know? Alt plus numbers? Yeah, it works well. It works good. TypeScript for the new programmer. Do they really think that people start with TypeScript for the new programmer? Yeah, we're not gonna go through that. Let's see, would I call myself a JavaScript programmer, a Java C# programmer, a functional programmer, or TypeScript tooling in 5 minutes? I mean, I could be either of these two. I understand functional programming, but I'm not going to click on this one. Just open another VM for every terminal window. Yeah, there you go, Simplex. Functional programmer? We'll look at it, but I'm going to be, I'm probably not going to understand this all that well. Concepts not in Haskell. Man, you know it's a good fucking article when it starts with concepts not in Haskell. In this instruction, I assume you know the following: how to program in JavaScript. Wait, what? What? Read this book that was published way too long ago. You may be able to skip the book if you know how to write programs in a call-by-value lexically scoped language with lots of mutability and not much else. Damn, fucking shots fired right there. That's a good way to represent JavaScript, though. Lots of mutability and not much else. Wait, no TypeScript for a Python programmer? Yeah, right? That would have been useful. You're definitely not functional? True. Kimbuga says 3 earthquakes in 2 hours, should I be worried? I don't know. I feel like frequency of earthquakes doesn't really say much. Okay, well, we're not going to do that one. We're going to do it for JavaScript programmers, because I know enough JavaScript to be helpful. Types by inference, cool, I know how inference works. Find types, yep, I know how that works. Interface. Okay, probably not going to be defining our own types. We're probably just going to be doing procedural functions instead of types. Or instead of classes, because fuck classes. Return value annotation like that. Okay. I assume this function does not return anything. And this is the same syntax as Python. There are already a small set of primitive types available in JavaScript. Wait, BigInt is a primitive in JavaScript? This is new. When was this added? Biting. That was an unfortunate typo. Why does it say Safari? BigInt. Yeah, okay, that's what I thought. It's not that. It's very new. Not that well supported. A great way to start a tutorial, yeah, right? The functional seemed more fun. No, we'll go through this. Like I say, JavaScript like a European. No, I'm just fucking around. There was this Gary Bernhardt talk in like 2012, 2013, where he was like memeing that, you know, it was the year 2100 and we were running a virtual machine and a virtual machine and a virtual machine in a browser running JavaScript. And he intentionally mispronounced JavaScript. And I thought it was funny, so I continued to mispronounce it because I don't know, maybe not that funny. Composing types. Unions. Yep, I understand unions. Why would you do this when you just had Boolean? When you hover over my bool, you'll see its class is Boolean. That's part of the structural type system. Yeah, this is nice. This is like cheap enums. I probably don't need that, but I understand it. Oh, this is an evil function. This function takes either a string or an array of strings. Gross. Gross. Generics. Yep, I understand how generics work. Oh, this is neat. The structural generic? Protocol generic? Oh. This is nice. I guess these functions can't actually use the type, so it's an opaque type. This is a shortcut to all TypeScript. There is a constant called backpack, and to not worry about where it came from. It just, appeared here. Okay. Structural type system. Oh, I love referring to types as shape. Like my favorite stupid thing to talk about. Yes, let's talk about the shape of this callable. I'm not being sarcastic there. I actually like calling types shapes. It's like an interface. Yeah, I expect. DL says, "Alright, out to play video games. Have a good rest of your stream. Well, thank you for stopping by. Why don't we have native TypeScript support yet?" That'd be funny. Oh no. No, we're not gonna have a full out. No, Marsha. No. You have to wear a scarf to call types shapes. I have a scarf somewhere. Oh, maybe I don't. Maybe I got rid of the scarf. I have a scarf. I don't have a scarf anymore. I don't think I have a scarf anymore. Wrap noodle around your neck. I don't think noodle is that flexible, but we could try. We could have a noodle scarf. Make sure I don't show my feetsies here. Very strategically. Oh no, carpet fell over. Like this? Does this count as a scarf? Oh, poor noodle. Poor noodle. Here, we'll get Noodle's face in here. Oh, that's so adorable. Oh, this actually feels pretty good though. Oh. Okay, but it's not really a scarf. But there's Noodle for you. Can you hang out here and stream can still see carpet peeking over Noodle? Alright, it's good enough. Ship it. I don't think showing Noodle is allowed on Twitch. Oh no. Marsh, you're gonna get bonked. It's gonna happen. I'm gonna bonk you. I have a cat plush like that. Lung cat, best cat. Yeah. Noodle's pretty good. The weird thing is, when we got Noodle was like this big, and then Noodle got bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger, and now Noodle is this size. But when we got Noodle out of the packaging, Noodle was not a long boy. It was kind of a long boy, but not a long boy. Nice screenshot there. Can you show the Java C# one? Yeah, sure. Once we get to the bottom, we're almost done. Struggle types, yeah, understand that. Next steps. Okay, cool. All right, let's look at the Java and C# one. Code learning JavaScript. I like how this one doesn't tell you to look at JavaScript good parts. Alex Craven says, "Hey, what's in the Python terminal on the right? Been trying to work it out." Which bit? Which part of this? I was trying to do a splat into a set just to see what it looked like, and I was surprised that they all showed up in order, because sets are unordered in Python, even in Python 3.6+, where dicts are ordered. I was trying to demo splat into set, because this will get rewritten by PyUpgrade in the latest version, I think. Well, not this. If I would have put square brackets here, it would have gotten rewritten. But yeah, that's what I was showing there. Yeah, good question, Alex Craven. Is your noodle fluffy? Says Twoworm. That's a weird question. Ellen kind of says, so Marsha gets bonged, but I didn't when I was sharing hentai subreddits. Yeah. Hentai subreddits are classified as research. Shit. Corbin says, makes sense. Should have thought that it's 2 a.m. in UK. Yeah, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. This was, I don't know, me fucking around with that. Rethinking the class. I love this title. C# and Java, what we might call mandatory object-oriented programming languages. In these languages, the class is the basic unit of code organization. Rethinking types. Nominal reified type systems. I don't think this helps anyone. I feel like the type system of JavaScript is not that surprising for Java programmers because they have interface. This is actually perhaps surprising. But again, the two types have the same shape. But yeah, I don't like this. This is an error in Python's typing. This concerns me. This concerns me. Funk is reified. I've heard it used in several different constructs, but what I've heard it as is a synonym for caching. Make something more concrete or real. Yeah, see, that's a different thing. It's part of Marxism, I guess. Reified programming. Reification programming, computer science. An abstract idea about a computer program is turned into an explicit data model. Okay. Interesting. Interesting. You absolutely need a scarf to read any of this shit? Oh no. Oh no. Someone needs to reify this word for me, right? Right. I feel like this was way less useful than this one. Okay, anyway, I think I understand that. Let's look at the tooling. Installing TypeScript. We're not gonna -g. npm I TypeScript. wcgw. Did you make me a package.json? Is that what you just did? You made me a package lock. New major version of npm available. Cool. Go fuck yourself. Alright, now do we have a package.json? Package.json. No, where's my package.json? Package.json. Now will you put it in there? Please? Pretty please? Hey, there we go. Alright, we installed it. Build your first TypeScript file. Okay. Node modules bin tsc. Wow, that took a long ass time for just fucking hello world. Where did it put it? Oh. We got one JavaScript file. Oh, that's straightforward. Okay. Beep beep to you too. There's a car. Worker class unite. Worker not reify. You said you didn't want to use npm. I didn't want to use npm for runtime things. I'm okay using it for file time stuff. Install the cool packages that have ads to them. Wait, what did I get bonked for? What did I get bonked? What happened here? Alright, TSC, I guess that part looks like this. Oh, we didn't even have any types in our JavaScript. Okay, so it wants us to put a type here, string, or instructor I used to TA for in college would always say string. Holy shit, that takes forever. Why did that take so long? Okay, just removed it. Cool, whatever. Building it first. Yep. Compiling. Yep. Type annotations. This is how to show an error. I guess we might as well show the error. Query.ts. User equals 1, 2, 3. You see, it errors after a very slow. Oh, the error message is nice though. Okay. Cool. I feel like I should have just started with this. This looks like the most useful bit. Alright, does TypeScript have a minifier or no? Hello, JS. Strict. What does just a strict do? Oh, we should unbreak the error. And of course, we gotta make it on brand. What are we gonna say hi to in chat? Jam and Rock. You're getting helloed here. Okay. Doesn't seem like it minifies. Maybe not cool. Oh, I don't want to use Webpack. Raytrace says your keyboard makes you want to cry. Why? What's wrong with my keyboard? It's so slow, yeah, it's super slow. Luncato says, why doesn't mobile Twitch like me? I use channel posts to get the Umbreon emotes. Now it won't let me use them. Oh no! Well, I don't run Twitch, so I don't know. Oh my god, what stupid shit did I say on Twitter? What the fuck is this? What did I say? Oh, it's just me being caught in a reply storm. I understand. I get it. Alright, you want the context of this? We can show the context of this. Where's my tweet? This is my tweet. So the other Anthony S of Python posted this tweet, which is like, you could just import everything in the standard library if you wanted to. And I was like, whoa. Why stop at the standard library? Because this imports every module in scope. I have to do these ones separately because they're magical and global. And then a whole bunch of people were like, here's other things that you can do, like installing all of PyPI. Which, like, I don't know why you would want to, but you can. But anyway, that's the context. Tubum says, hey Anthony, why use sys.exit instead of exit? Is there a video on that? So, yes. sys.exit is the correct and pedantic way to do it. I don't use sys.exit because literally nobody runs with site mode off, because site mode in Python is how you get third-party dependencies. And yeah. So in general, site is always going to run, and exit is always going to be there. But I have learned of a newer, slightly esoteric pattern that makes this not, you know, again, not require an import, but be correct. Because I would do this. This is what I do. This is what all of my entry points look like. But you can do this, and then silence all of those sys.exit haters, because this works the same without needing an import. Technically, 001 goes over the exit main thing, the very first explains video, which honestly, it took me a very long time to record that first video. I had like the prep done for it like months and months, and I'm glad you guys finally convinced me to record YouTube videos explaining stuff. So oh man, Fallen Cato, I'm just gonna gift you a sub. That's what's gonna happen. You complain enough, you get a sub. There you go. I don't know why I'm gifting you a sub, but there you go. Now you have the emotes. Maybe you'll pay it forward. Oh, Fallen Cato has been added as a sub! Thank you for the sub! No, I clicked the button. I gifted them a sub. Steven Minion says, Big Powell, thanks! Anthony writes code for gifting a sub. Yeah, let me undo a button for myself, right? But anyway. There you go, there's the emotes. But yeah, actually, you know, I've suggested this pattern to a number of people so far, and they seem happy with it, so I think I'm just gonna roll with this and make it my new thing. Problem is, I feel like this is less obvious than just exit main, because you kind of have to explain that, like, oh, why am I always raising an exception? Oh, because it's the exit exception, so it triggers the termination of the program. Okay, I understand. But it's a little weird, but I like it, you know? You know? Two says I got so excited I closed Twitch. Zip3s! Hello. Good to see you. How's it going? Okay, what do I actually want to do? So what I actually want to do, Plotossaurus says a program should never exit. A program should never exit. Yes. I mean, that makes solving, as Kimbiko says, that's an interesting take on the halting problem. It makes solving the halting problem really easy. You just say false. But the program never stops. Never ever stops. Oh no. What the fuck is this? Hang on, we're gonna look at this. Well, actually, let me open it off stream in case it's not safe. What the fuck? Why does this have so many viewers? Marine Animal Rescue. It's literally otters. And it has almost like 2,100 viewers. Oh, I'm so glad. I'm so glad they're no longer in science and tech. Fucking chef kiss. I'm glad they're in a different category now. So good. New toys, thick-kissed fur, hottest, #1 cold tub stream. Live for 43 hours. Interesting. Crazy times. Crazy times in the Twitch lands. Anyway, can't watch too much stream or then I get claimed or whatever. Did we invent a new programming paradigm? Maybe. Maybe. We did it, Twitch. Let's do another one more at it. P does not equal MP if N does not equal 1. Autosaurus says, what is an executable if not a function of an operating system? Yo, I could just like reach over here and press the power button. Here, look. I'll click the X on my VM. Oh! It halted. It's done now. Nah, I'm just kidding. I press minimized. What is the ellipsis you used in main in the system exit example? So in Python, or at least in Python 3, ellipsis is a syntactical construct that resolves to the ellipsis singleton. I mostly used it as a placeholder where I didn't write any code. But it does have some special meaning in some contexts. Yeah, there we go. So if you check out this video, I talk about what it means for typing stuff. Is weed still science and tech? Yeah, yeah. Yep. So, chat, you know, I've talked to you a bunch of times about how I've tried to get high and failed miserably at it. I tried again, and I failed again. And everyone around me was like super baked, and I had like 2 or 3 times as much weed as everyone else did. And I still was not high. It sucks. It's fucking bullshit. Ugh. Is this your superpower? It's like the shittiest superpower ever, right? Fucking sucks. But, yeah, anyway. There's a song about this. Although I think the song is more about that they're poor and can't afford to get high. So anyway, the line in here is everybody gets high, but why can't I? What is it? Why the hell can't I? Yeah, there we go. This is fucking me in a nutshell right here. Why doesn't this shit work? I really like this song though. It's got a good beat to it. You can get drunk, but you can't get high. This is your curse. Does coffee work? I don't drink coffee because it gives me a really bad headache. And back when I used to take ADHD meds, coffee would make me hyper, and then I would get a really terrible crash, which would not be good. When everyone is super baked, you can get eternal respect for getting the munchies. Right? Right? Nirm says that's a good song. Yeah, it's a good song. I like it. SR71 has a song called All American with the line, I never got high the first time I tried, just like everyone. Look, it's been like 20 or 30 times that I've tried, and it's just not working. I haven't tried edibles though, so maybe that's the key. But, because everyone's like, you know, you can't escape the high from edibles. Oh. Maybe that's the next thing to try? I don't fucking know. Kamiki says I've had the munchies all my life. Yo, same. Man. Quarantine's been really bad for me, and like just eating random fucking food that I don't need to eat. Cause like I'm a bored eater. Like if I'm just sitting around and there's nothing to do, and there's snacks or food or accessible online ordering, oh man. You bet your bottom dollar that food's I'm gonna order food, or I'm gonna eat snacks. And oh man, I gained so much fucking weight during quarantine. It sucks. I'm looking forward to being able to go climbing again, because I feel like climbing, I don't know. The time where I kept my weight in like good check was when I was running and climbing, and sometimes biking. And I don't really want to do running anymore because it really fucked up my knee. Although I do want to run again because I want to run one more marathon. Well, I want to run at least one more marathon. I want to run a marathon under 4 hours. I didn't quite make that goal last marathon. Then again, I had COVID during it, so it's a wonder that I finished it at all. Yeah, I had COVID last time, so like I pretty much I had a pretty good excuse for not meeting my time. I was on pace at 14 miles. I was on pace to achieve my goal, and then everything fell apart from there. But I do want to run one more marathon and get that time. But yeah, running and climbing, I was in such good shape, like fucking amazing shape. But now I'm just a fat fuck, and it sucks. I hate it. Funkana says, then there's me who drinks 5 cups of super sugared coffee a day so that I can survive the day and fall asleep and stay asleep at the end of the day. Oh man, I don't drink coffee at all. I don't have caffeine at all. Pika says, Uber Eats over here is great though. You can even get electronics. Oh, think like foot massager. Yes. Foot massager. Tuber says, I just stopped eating. I recommended it's cheap. I wish I could. Things I get bored. Or stress or... Yeah, I deserve that bonk. You're right. You're right. You're right, Moomy Jamala. Yeah. Oh, I'm catching up to the one formerly known as Michaela. Tubeworm, you're in the top 5. Perfect. Perfect. What's the double bonk for? I didn't deserve that one. Do I really want to do this right now today? Do I want to write JavaScript? I don't think I want to write JavaScript. I think we're going to work in a deploy system. Do I work on a deploy system? That's the stuff that's more fun to me. I'm getting there. I'm min-maxing your chat. Yeah. We're going to remove TypeScript from our title. We're going to work on a deploy system. Because that seems more fun. Yeah? Yeah. Jim Rock says, that video was very cool. Thanks. Wait, which video? Oh, the ellipsis one? Yeah, well, check out the other 250 videos on my channel. 250? 270? 280? I don't even know. I've lost track. I didn't record any this week, though, so sorry there haven't been that many videos this week. Holy shit, we're almost at 300. Someone said there's like 17 hours of content. I think you can actually see that, though, right? Does this tell you how long the playlist is? No. How do you know how long the playlist is? How did somebody know this? How did somebody figure this out? Figure out total duration of YouTube playlist. Oh my god. You can go to ytpulse.com. That's a risky type. I'm not just going to type a domain name in. Let me make sure it's right. Okay, that looks fine. Yay, and then playlist IP. Analyzing 292 videos. Please wait. Oh, it's way more than 17 hours. Holy shit. You can spend 2 straight days, almost 2 straight days, watching Anthony Explains. I like how they have at 1.5x. Nice. That's a lot. That's fucking crazy amount. Anyway, I'm amazed how much. Oh, you want me to do full VODs? I think it's a lot more if you include all the VODs. I think we could just do channel ID. Oh, come on. Oh, what's my channel ID? Fucking give me my channel ID. And if I go to studio, it'll give me my channel ID. Alright, this is my channel ID. Analyzing. I only have 693 videos? What? Here's the total time. 1 month and 23 days of linear time. Holy shit. I mean, a lot of it's streams, so like... Holy shit. That's a lot of content. I mean, a lot of it is stream content that people aren't gonna watch, but like... I basically streamed for almost 2 months of linear time. Well, probably 2 months of linear time, because there was stuff before I recorded. But yeah. WordDevec says, I browsed 3 programming streams today, and all of them have expressed a dislike of JavaScript. I don't dislike JavaScript. I think just JavaScript's fine. I just don't feel like writing it at the moment. Like, JavaScript's just as bad as Python is. That's just as bad as PHP is. Just as bad as Ruby is. They're basically the same thing. Just slightly different flavors. I don't really feel like one is worse or better than the other. You know, pretty sure I can write that for loop. Yeah. A large portion of your life recently is public record. It's true. Something at times instead of videos like one of the easier things they could solve. Yeah. I mean, I have the APIs that I could have done it myself, probably. My brother is helping me search for apartments. I feel bad. I kind of feel bad farming that off on him, but like he's very enthusiastic about doing it, so more power to him. Okay, so the first thing that I think is a problem is let's just take one of the pre-commit.ci repositories. Pre-commit.ci slash I don't know, the auto updater. We'll do that one first. I'm pretty sure if I go in here, set of the VM, pretty sure if I run the tests are gonna fail. Wow, that was slow for some reason. Pretty sure the tests are gonna fail. Wait, why did it install unpinned packages? Hold on. Where did these come from? Oh, I know where these came from. Wait. Oh, I know where these came from. These came from requirements tools. Okay, yeah. That's fair. Makes sense. No, we'll manually activate. I'm pretty sure the tests are gonna fail. Oh. Really? I would have thought maybe because we don't ever load the credentials, it's fine. Maybe this is gonna be easier than I thought. Maybe this is gonna be easier than I thought. No. Okay, this is what I expected. I expected it to try and retrieve secrets. And That's really annoying. Yeah, because I just build the app at the module scope, which is not great, but I think I need to do that for Lambda. I mean, I could do module getter. I'm gonna get bunk beds again. I don't think I've had a bunk bed with my brother since I was 10 years old. 9 years old? 9 years old. Person says, I have Anth Bunk muted. We're like watching Death Notes and Milky's Dick Sword. You're watching the animers. I see. Jay Malone says, what is your keyboard name? Thank you, Kimbika. The Karate Chop keyboard. Oh, yeah. So funny. I've been meaning to record a funny video, which I think was originally Nick Shiv's idea. Which is to take this this crappy Logitech keyboard and then just smash it over my knee and then like cut to me having both of the halves of the Freestyle Pro and be like, look, this is how you can get yourself a cheap split keyboard. But I don't know. I don't know how much force it's gonna require to split this keyboard in half. This is like a $10 keyboard, so I don't fucking care. But like, haven't recorded it yet. But it would be funny, right? You guys would click the like button on that, right? You guys would share with your friends on Frickberg. No one does that. Okay, this is annoying. How do I fix this? How do I fix this? How do I fix this? Pretty sure your knee breaks before the keyboard? Really? I don't know, this is a cheap fucking keyboard. I could probably... I mean... if I smack it on my knee and it doesn't break, I could take a like razor blade and cheat. Like I could get it going to the point where like it's weakened. Yeah. Okay, yeah. So the problem with this is I'm pretty sure the app needs to be instantiated, so I think the credentials actually need to be available at that point. Be careful, Anthony, you need to be an angry gamer girl. Oh no. Razor blade is your choice of utensil for that. What else do you call it? These things. These things, chat. Come on. Switch scene. What the fuck? Hello? There we go. This thing. Razor blade. You know. Just, slice up the bottom. That would work, right? Box cutter? X-Acto blade is the brand name. Oh, we want to spin that so it looks more dangerous. There we go. Yeah, it's a razor blade, right? Right? Those are razor blades. Technically. Am I wrong? Razor blade. I guess razor blades look like this. Non-brand name for X-Acto razor blade. They're owned by Elmer's, huh? Anyway, you know what I meant. How about saw to the back so no one can see it's damaged? Yeah, that was the plan. That was yeah, exactly. That's if it doesn't break. Just get a butcher's knife and destroy that thing. No, I want it to be like good, like quick editing where like I smack it, it crumples, and then it cuts to me having, you know, both halves. I think I can make that happen. But I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I'm thinking about I don't trust you with. Why don't you trust me? What? Why don't you trust me with sharp objects? I'd be fine with sharp objects. I'd be chilling with sharp objects. Okay, so it looks like in order to run the tests here, I need to have some amount of fake creds here. Assertion error. How much creds do we need? Okay, that's actually not that bad. We can set up dummy creds, or sorry, placeholder creds. Can't say that word is canceled. And get this working in GitHub Actions. Let's start by just getting tests working in GHA. Not only do they make glue to combine things, they make knives to separate them. Interesting. Yeah, exactly. Hey, what's up? Anju? Anju. Hello, hello. Welcome. You can't trust anyone with sharp objects. You won't like .NET developers. Oh, man. Sorry, I'm talking to my brother. Okay, so let's make a GitHub action. I am garbage at GitHub actions because I don't use them very often. Main.yaml. Fortunately, we have a lot of examples. And we're gonna use all repos find files to find GitHub /workflows. Do we have one that's just like a test? I think this one is. From one of my videos. Yeah, this one looks good. Name main on pull request. Oosh. Branches. Main. Yobs. Main. Hello? Oh, it's Control 1 on Windows. Adinju, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you are doing well. Welcome. This looks like VS Code. The reason it looks like VS Code is because it is my own text editor that uses the same theming, well, my implementation of the same theming engine as VS Code. And this is the VS Code Dark +1 modification. No. +1 modification. The modification is that INI files have better highlighting for things. So I've improved the theme ever so slightly. Resonant Mango, thank you for the follow. J Factors, thank you as well for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Why not on push pull requests? So the reason this is slightly different is, and this is a mistake that almost everyone makes in CI systems, like a really fucked up system that everyone makes this goddamn mistake. In that if you are a maintainer of a repository and you push a branch to the repository and then open a pull request, it runs all of your stuff twice, which is wasteful. So what this does is if you push to a branch, it doesn't run it, but it will run it when you open the pull request. Isn't this Vim? No, it's actually my own text editor that I wrote called Babby. But yes, it does kind of feel a little Vim-like. But yeah. New question, what's the idiomatic way of adding a file with all repos? Yeah, so that is a little bit tricky. I don't have any examples of it. Where did I do that? Here? Yeah. So the idiomatic way of adding a file is you write the file contents out and then you add -- intent to add. And then all repos will show you the diff of that file. Intent to add is like a very tricky Git feature. But yeah. But yeah. Oh yeah. Gotta remember that. Yeah, it's common pitfall. Stop. No. I should just say never. Where's the one where it has the file? Here we go. Oh. We don't need a matrix because we just have runs on Ubuntu latest steps. We also need to check out the runbooks repos. Run actions, check out. Repository. With repository pre-commit.ci/runbooks. Is there like a destination? I think it'll do it automatically. Path relative path under GitHub workspace to place the repository. Where is the default? What if we do path /runbooks? You can try that. Uses action /setup Python v2 with, and unfortunately everything right now is on Python 3.8. We'll go with that. Run. Set up the VF, and then this song is a good jam. Anything is now one with machine. Oh no. I always read Babby as baby, and then when I hear you say it, I'm like, oh right, it's just Babby, not baby. Exactly. Jam Rock says, would you say that creating your own text editor increased your efficiency? Yeah. in some ways. It also decreased it in others, because I haven't implemented all the features that I want yet. Like I've added some features to Babby that were more efficient than the previous editor that I was using, which was Nano. But I still haven't added linting back, so I'm less efficient there, but more efficient in other ways. And he's now one with the machine. His blood is gasoline, or whatever computers use. His blood is hamsters. Yeah. Y actions v2 twice. So this first one checks out the repository itself, and then this one checks out the runbooks, which have scripts in them that set things up. Got a name for this song? Yeah, this is one of my favorites. I like this song. There you go. Well, the source says, I thought about making an editor. What does it take? So, which video is going to talk about this? Explains courses and FAQ Babby. Oh, man. If you click on the courses video in the description, oh, it'll be FAQ editor, right? Oh, the last song. This one. Okay, there you go. This is the one with a good jam. This just has a slow outro. Yeah, so the editor took me about 3 months to get it to a point where it was usable. Working on it on and off. You know, I had a full-time day job. So it's like weekends and evenings. And not even like 100%, but I don't know. But it was good. I don't know. I wouldn't. In retrospect, I mean, it's really fucking cool. Like, would I have done this again? Probably not. But it is really fucking cool. Like, how many people can be like, yeah, I made my own text editor because I was bored and I was mad about upstream. So, actually, my branch is not yet named properly, so whoops. Have you tried Sublime? Yeah, but I don't like graphical editors. Movie Jamal says, just spend months on developing your own editor and you can be 2% more efficient. 2% adds up, man! 2% adds up. Hey, what's up, Pythonic Pie? Hello, hello. Have you considered implementing Vim mode? Here. It has Vim mode. You ready? Colon Q. Vim mode. Done. I've implemented all of Vim. That's all you need to know from Vim anyway. Colon Q. Get the fuck out. Done. Easy. It even has WQ. Oh, look at that shit. And it has sort. There you go. I've implemented Vim. That's all you need. That's all you need, chat. Panther says Babby is amazing. Ace says super fucking cool. Yeah. You should be proud of anything you made. I don't know, Panther GGGGG. There's some stuff that I've made that I'm like, God, I hope no one uses this. Funny story about some of the stuff where I'm like, God, I hope no one uses this. I joined Lyft, and one of the first things I did at Lyft was I was like, I know they're a Python shop. I'm gonna grep for what software that I wrote that they're already using. And one of the things that I was like, man, I hope no one uses this. They were using it in production. So I pinged the team and I was like, you know this? I made this thing. It was a joke. It's not supposed to be used in prod. And they're like, oh, okay. We'll try something else instead. And I was like, cool. Don't want to be liable for that outage. What is that autofill looking feature, or is that just pasting? I don't have any autocomplete, so it's either me typing fast or pasting. One of the two. Trying to get back to Vim, but only with the bare essential plugins. Ah, I see. In production? Yeah. If I remember correctly, it was future f strings, which like super functional and like works really fucking well, but like no one should actually use this. Okay, do you want the quick demo of future f strings? It's pretty cool. All right, we'll start with the proper demo. Thing equals world print hello thing. This is an f string. It's a way to format strings. It's new in Python 3.6. So if you run Python 2.7 on this, you will unsurprisingly get a syntax error because Python 2.7 has no idea how to do this. But if you run this in Python 3.6, it passes. Cool, whatever. So let's make ourselves a virtual env. VM Python 2.7. Activate our Python 2.7 virtual env. And now, what if I told you can do pip install f strings? Oh, pip install future f strings. You can pip install a package to get f strings. And then you put this fiddly little comment at the top of your file. Pay no attention to this comment. It's just a fiddly little comment, right? Nothing a comment couldn't change how the code runs, right? Right? Surely? Surely? And now Python 2 supports f strings. Right, K-Hertz? That's some shit. Here's how it works, though. Well, actually, this is what it does behind the scenes. So it turns that f-string call into a format call. The way it works is fucking wild. So what future f-strings does is it installs a PTH file in here called future f-strings. And if you want to learn more about PTH, I did a video about all of the details. The TLDR of PTH is any line that starts with an import is evaled. So you have to force a bunch of code here. So what it does is it imports f strings, and then it runs future f strings.register. I am Brock Vaughn. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. And what that register thing does, packages future f strings.by. What that register thing does is it registers a codec, an encoding, which allows you to, well, I'll show you how it works. Python 2. What that lets you do is call decode with future f strings on a string. I forgot the single quote here. And this codec has a side effect of transforming the Python source code in there. So this is what the codec does. That gets registered at startup. And what this first line of the file says is, if you're reading this file, decode it using this codec. So it magically injects itself in there through string encodings. Oh, actually, funny thing about that. Hold on, let me see if I can find it. From Granger, future f strings. Future f strings. Yeah, here we go. If you set the encoding on a requests request to future f strings, it can change the source code. Requests will change the source code for you. Requests is just like, oh yeah, you set the content type to future f strings? I got you, easy. So there's some fucky stuff that can go on there. But yeah, it's pretty wild. Okay, here it says I'm using this in production. I mean, it is production quality. Like it is very well written. But it was created as a joke. Loki, I want to try and slip this through in code review next week. Yeah, make it happen. Where do you code review Python 2 in 2021? Oh yeah, you poor soul, K Hertz. Are you still in Python 2? I'm so sorry. My condolences. Okay. So what do we want to do next? I don't have 100% coverage here yet, but I think we should still... I don't have a talks. Do I want to set up talks for this? Is talks overkill? Do I want talks? I cloned the wrong repo. We'll have to fix that. I don't have virtual installed. Okay, so we're gonna have to do that anyway. Should be runbook scripts, yes. I mean, Dogecoin was also made as a joke. Yeah. We support Python 2 and 3 until our next release. That's rough. Why did Neurum yell burn the witch? What did I miss? This is what you missed. Hold on, Keto. This is what you missed. Alright. F strings. Definitely not a thing in Python 2, right? This was added in Python 3.6, right? Python 2.7, Python 2.7. Definitely Python 2.7, right? Yep. F strings. Boom. Mic drop. Walk away. That reminds me, does Python 3 even use long anymore? Nope. Integer is now isomorphic with the long type in Python 2. It auto promotes when it gets large enough. So yeah. Yep. Oh. Okay, so this sets up the virtual environment. I think I still want to do coverage, so we'll just do VM bin coverage run pytest test. And run VM bin coverage report. I think this is the bare minimum that I need. This is not going to work for this repository, but we're going to start with that. And GitHub actions for tests. Now I'm limited to 2,000 minutes of GitHub actions per month for free. So I'm hoping I don't, like, I honestly don't see myself spending that much. So I'm hoping it's gonna work out. But let's see. Boga hacker AWC pre-commit. That's a good good little combination there. All right, so ran failed. The path web scripts is not under web. Hello? How do I do this? How do I do this for dead snacks? Funky 420 Pops, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. I guess I clone it as a subdirectory. I don't like that. but we'll do it anyway. Fuck it. Who cares? Yeah. We'll do that. Color Marker says, what's the right way to install pip into a newly installed Dead Snakes Python package? So you have a couple choices. Run rm ti run to focal. I'm gonna do this so. Don't bug me about time zones. Hey, what's up, Coder Snacks? Hello, hello. It's Anthony Cool Dude. Both from gift subs though, because I'm broke. You've got that Cheer 100 badge though, Fawn Cato, so you're not completely broke. Hey, what's up, the end of the server? Hello, hello. Ensure pip? So you can ensure pip, but you have to install a special package first. We're gonna go over the 3 different ways to do it. Coder Snacks! Thank you for the gift sub to Tubeworm, who now has 6 months of subdom. Fancy new badge there. And at repository PPA Dead Snacks. Yes, press enter. Yes. For anyone else who's broke, there's a gift sub. Nice. Coder Snacks says, so I have a question for you. Some interns and I took required Azure training, and everyone was like, for what though? How can I easily explain to them why using cloud is futuristic and what the cool kids do? Yeah, I mean, I wish I would have learned some fucking cloud shit in school. School wasn't helpful. I don't know that Azure is the best one to learn, but why did everyone get status and LS? Yeah, I don't like. Yes, I think learning cloud is useful. I think that's it's very clearly where tech is going or has been going for the last 10-ish years or so. Yeah, I mean, oh, you're at Microsoft. Yeah, of course. Like, well then it's a no-brainer to learn Azure at that point. Yeah, like, of course. He says, I love Linode. Is it Linode or Linode? I can never remember. I've heard they're good. I wish they would sponsor me, because then I would learn more about them. I know they sponsor tech streamers, so if you're out there, Linode, hit me up. let me know. Okay, so the easiest way usually is to do apt install python 3 pip. This is the most supported way to do this. That installs more than I want. No install recommends. This is the easiest way. Well, actually, there's. Okay, let's go over the different ways. Ways to get pip. So the first, well, let's start with the one that I recommend. What I recommend is you don't actually want global pip. You want a virtual env. And for that, you can check out this video. This shows you how to set up a virtual env from nothing. Alright. The second is I want to be happy with the package manager. Now, granted, installing a global pip is already kind of telling the package manager to go fuck itself, but teach their own. For this one, you would do sudo, well, not sudo, well, because we're in a Docker, well, you know, optional sudo if you need it. Apt install python 3 pip, and then after that, you would use python 3.10-m pip, or whatever version of Python you have. This is how you do it the Debian-ish way. If you want to use ensure pip, using ensure pip, and this is specific to Dead Snakes. Debian doesn't ship ensure pip, but Dead Snakes does. For this, you can use apt install python 3.10-vm. I ship it in this weird module because, I don't know, I wanted it to be as close to Debian as possible, but still convenient. And then you can use python 3.10-m ensure pip, and then after that, you can use pip 3.10 or whatever, pip install. But still, you would probably still want to do python 3.10-m pip install ... And then another way that you can do this is with get pip.py. And for that, you would do curl bootstrap.pypa.io/git. I think you have to do this now. Get pip.py. And then python 3.10 dash. And then you would use, you know, whatever pip, python 3.10-m pip install. Those are the main ways that I would go about doing this. But again, I wouldn't do any of these three down here. I would set up a virtual environment and do that. Yeah, Linode. Okay. Like, other than deploying VMs for websites, what's other good uses of the cloud? I mean, running software on someone else's computer. That's like the big one. You want Conda? Oh no. Python 3 pip covers all Python versions. Yeah, so the reason it covers all versions, I can actually show you that here. We download 7 megabytes of artifacts. The reason it covers all versions is on Ubuntu, it installs it into user lib python 3. So it installs it into this user lib python 3 dist packages, and this is shared by all of the Python installs. So if we do python 3.10-m pip help at this point, and install python 3.10-distutils, because that was missing. And then we do this, you'll see that you can run pip from that. And that's because all of the Debian installs of Python share the share that topic. I found pipenv to be the easiest but not as powerful as virtualenv. Oh, we are not a fan of pipenv in this channel. WordOfX says, do you curate the explains topics manually? Yeah, so basically when people ask questions, video idea, ways to get pip for Dead Snakes. I do this, and then it goes into this, it takes a little while. I run this command, and then it adds it to this list of ideas, and then I record them whenever I have time to record them, so yeah. Panther GG says, any interest in showing us how to build a Raspberry Pi mini server from scratch and an installation of K3s? What's K3s? Is that like mini Kubernetes? Minikube? Something like that? I don't know. I don't have a Raspberry Pi, so I don't know how I would show that without having one. But yeah. Python Pi says, TIL, I've been setting up our GitLab CI images with both Python 3 pip and ensure pip. Double whammy. Hey, what's up, recursive chat? Hello, hello. Bousehack says, what if I'm happy with global pip because I have masochistic tendencies? Well, more power to you. If you're okay fucking up your system, then ship it, buddy. Have a good time there. I'm not gonna stop you. You can do what you want there. Okay. So this should now be failing on the cred stuff. Yeah? Hello? Terminating the default branch. Retrieving the default branch name. Not found. What? What the fuck happened here? pre-commit.ci/scripts. Oh, I'd like to read the goddamn docs again. Yeah, multiple repos private. Oh no! That sucks. Oh, that really sucks. Oh. But basically, you need to make a separate token to clone other repositories. Because, and this makes sense. Makes sense that the GitHub token is scoped to your current repo. It's just kind of annoying. So I gotta make credentials. Oh, I hate it. Superm says, I use global Pippin ticker because I'm a lazy bitch. Yeah, it happens. Happens. They should have spelled Kubernetes with a C. Why though? I think Raspberry Pi thing would be cool since I have one. I have no clue how to set it up. We can sponsor the parts you need. By we, I mean me and whoever wants to come along. Yeah, Raspberry Pis are pretty cheap. The thing is, I would probably want to do it after I move, because right now I'm trying to get rid of as much junk as possible. So I have less stuff to move. Hey, what's up, Pyro? Hello, hello. That is a unique keyboard. Oh, yes, this is the Kinesis Freestyle Pro. If you do bang keyboard, you can learn more about it. Neurum is heading to bed. Thank you for stopping by. Oh, Kubernetes. I see Coder Snacks. That does make sense. Oh, this sucks. How do I set this up without everyone seeing the credentials? I guess I get it off screen. Oh, but I have to log into source account. Yeah. Whoops, that's not what I wanted. Oh, they zoomed in on the otters. God damn. What I meant to do, but oh, you also have a split keyboard. Which split keyboard do you have? Pythonic Pi? What is my bot account? Pre-commit.ci bot. Are you going to two-factor me? Yup! That makes sense. Good thing that one's two-factored. That one seems kind of important. Whoa! Okay, so now I'm logged in using my bot account. I can never remember where the tokens thing is. So I go here and then I search for settings tab and then I click on this link. That's how I get to tokens. Which is so dumb. It looks like for private repositories I would need full repo. Alright, token. Okay. We're not going to show this screen. Is there a way to do org level secrets? Surely there is, right? Secrets. Yeah. Action secrets. New organization. Organization secrets cannot be used by private repositories with your plan. Oh, they make this ever so slightly inconvenient. Alright, well. Can I use secrets? Well, I hope I can use secrets in general. Yeah. Oh, that's so stupid. Alright, well, I'm going to click through for a bit to set this up on all of my repositories that I want to set up tests for. So give me a sec. What did I call it? Sorry, you can't see this. This is secret stuff. I'm literally copying, pasting, and adding secrets over and over. Settings, secrets. Oh, they're gonna reflect it off of my eyeballs. Yep, 100%. Go token, paste. Oh god, this is gonna suck to rotate. I wonder... how much it would cost to have the nice feature. Like, is this worth me being a cheap ass? Is the real question. Cause this sucks. I can see why, like, I can see why they would put this as a paid feature. Like, this is just annoying enough that I might consider paying for it. Like, ever so slightly into the realm of this sucks enough that I would pay for it. Alright, but I have set them all up now, so we should be able to get back to here. Okay. Never. We did never this time. Okay, so this needs token. Is it double curly? It's a repo token. I need to give that user access to that. Scripts. And access the scripts repo. Secret team. Members. And pre-commit.ci bot. Byte. And then suicide myself from the team because I don't need that. And repositories as scripts. And they can have read. Okay, that should work now. Woof! Alright, let me catch up on chat. Oh my god, I'm so far behind. Little fluffy water worms. Oh my. Unsock says that hot tubs, pools, and beach category is weirder every day. Yeah. Kamiko says, how many public channels do y'all have in your Slack workspaces at work? Thousands. I'm a member of like 8, because every time people invite me to a channel, I'm like, why? And then I leave. But yeah. The kind of split keyboard that used to be a whole keyboard before I heckin' banged it. Oh, what? Subram says, "Hi Anthony, have you been enjoying the Freenode shit show?" So I don't use Freenode at all, but I used to. But yeah, it's been some solid popcorn there. But yeah. What didn't it let you do? So there's this concept called, here, I'm gonna show you. Why does it use a dot here? That's weird. Okay, but if you go to settings and then secrets, there is this organization secrets. But organization secrets cannot be used by private repositories with your plan. Oh, this is risky. Oh man, I've used 2 minutes already. How is that possible? How do I upgrade my plan? Pair all plans. Team, $4 per user per month. Where's the one that lets me have... Oh, I can't have protected branches either? Man. Where's the secrets? I think that's... It's not listed in here. I guess I can show you guys this. It's not listed in here. So like... I mean, I probably am gonna upgrade to team. It's $4 a month. That's worth it. That's totally worth it if it has this feature. My guess is it's... Well, this has a check mark for both of them. My guess is it's in... Well, we can probably just Google organization secrets GitHub what plan. There we go. What plan is required for organizational secrets and private repos? Team. Okay. In theory, I could pay $4 a month for that. I'll consider that after stream. Not your eyeballs mate your face? Yeah, because I'm shiny today. It's true. Hey, what's up, Shaz Robot? Hello, hello. What's the blue button between your keyboard? Thank you, Kinbiko. I bet it swirls. It does indeed. That's smart. Copy and confirm after pasting password. Big brain security plays. Yeah, exactly. Yep. What's Freenode? I like to hear about T. So, Freenode, it was the most popular IRC server hosting and has been around for like literally 30 years. And was used by many, many, many organizations, many, many open source organizations. But recently, one of the staff members basically went on a massive power grab to essentially take over Freenode and try and monetize it and like ban anyone who he didn't like. And so a bunch of people have moved off recently. That's the TLDR. Not a staff member? Well then... The Crown Prince of Korea. What? Where's the $20 come from? Get him actions? Nope. That $20 is going right back in my pocket. Pre-commit.ci is paying for pre-commit.ci. Which is kind of funny. Hi Tech, hello, hello. What's the extension between uBlock and Bitwarden? That is Tamper Monkey. Thank you, Kunbiko. Lord Amodar. Lord Damodar. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Monetize something that is free in the game. Yeah, exactly. His Majesty is a descendant of a royal family, you peasant. Yeah. Well, I didn't know that. But now you know, I guess. But yeah, I'm probably gonna buy this. Seems worth it. Okay, let's try this now. Let's see if it gets further. Yeah, I'm gonna need protected branches anyways, so I'm totally gonna pay for that. It's totally worth it. Especially, well, it depends if it considers per head. Does it consider my bot account as a user? Box of Ninjas! Thank you for the resub with Prime at 6 months. What is with TTS today? Why isn't TTS working? Yeah, we're gonna do it again. Hopefully TTS works. Come on. There we go! Hello to you as well, Box of Ninjas. Thank you for the resub at 6 months, which gets you a fancy new badge. It's good to see you again. The shit show is way deeper than you expect. I recommend it. There's plenty of popcorn. Huh. Well then, I didn't know. I did not know just how deep the rabbit hole goes. Alright, we can close some of these tabs. What if I just click this button? Here, we're gonna do it off screen in case it shows creds. Due today, $5.92. Oh, it is gonna charge me for my bot account. Interesting. Hmm. Hmm. Oh, maybe it only costs counts one user. I don't know. I'll figure this out later. Oh, you have the chicken emotes, Coder Snacks? Oh my. Can I protect branches for regular users' private repos? My coworker keeps pushing straight to master and I don't know. Don't know the answer there. I do not know. Okay, but let's look at the next reason this fails. This should be failing on the secrets thing now. Yeah. Cool. Wait, no region error. Oh, it's gonna fail on AWS shit too. No. Oh, because we instantiate clients at the module scope. Well, that fucking sucks. I didn't think it eagerly instantiated these clients. I thought it waited. Oh, this is gonna be more work than I want to do today. Maybe this is a tomorrow problem. Do you guys want to try out BinarySearch? Just for the funsies of it? I swear I had a login for this. Oh, I do. Yes? Sport beam commence. Good night, says Tuborm. We're gonna do one of these. Never. Alright, so the idea behind this is it's kind of like Clash Code, but different. What's my notification? Oh yeah, I became friends with Lawrence. This is the dude that made this whole thing. Coder Snacks, thank you for the 300 bits. Appreciate that. User says, I made a PR on Tuesday, merges without a comment. On Friday, he messages me, he made changes straight to master, and I should fix shit ASAP. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, so I actually don't know how this works. I've solved one medium problem. We're gonna do a medium? How do I do this? I don't want a context. How do I... How does this work? Does anyone know how this works? Because I don't know. I don't remember how it works. How do I host a room? Start a chat. No. Does anyone know how this works? If you want to play with chat, you can go to practice and send out a link. Okay. We're gonna do medium. Oh, create room. Okay. Create room. Invite link. Create room. Okay. So, anyone can join this, I think. Update room settings. How do I change the name? Time 50 minutes. I'm gonna do 10 minutes. Yeah. How do I change the name? Am I just called the dynamic programmers now? Hey, Coder Snacks has joined. We all complain about the UI, not gonna lie. We can bug Lawrence about this. Round will start in a minute. Okay. We got enough people here, I guess. So it's just gonna be solving Leet Cody type problems. Oh boy, graphs. Yeah, hopefully it's not graphs. Oh, I guess I gotta click ready. Oh, here we go. Given a lowercase alphabet string S, determine whether it has all unique characters. Done! I was first. I won. Why is this a medium problem? This one seems easy. Spoilers, chat. You included easy. Wait, really? Oh, yeah, this does say easy. How do I... Oh, I gotta unselect this. We're still gonna put this at 10 minutes. My bad. That one was too easy. That one was too easy. Did you guys saw this too? Oh, you're not done yet. How would you do this faster than... How would you do this faster than this? You could keep a set and C types. Alright, that would be like super cheating. It looks like you guys are both approaching. I can still see the text here because I'm pretty sure this is just CSS. You just turn off the blur. Where's the blur filter? Probably not on this div. Probably on this one. Wait, why didn't that work? Oh, I can see the code now. All right, how do we? Round ends in 8 minutes. No, we gotta go on to the next one. How do we go to the next one? How does this work? Nofto and Jindango, thank you both for the follow. Welcome, welcome. You're a hacker, Harry. Yeah. Makes it run slower. I think it's because of the import. There's no import here. Oh, C types? Yeah, C types would make it. The import would make it go slower. There's an arrow at the left to go to the next. This button? Oh, there's more than one question? Oh, were we supposed to do all 4 of these? Oh, I think we were supposed to do all 4 of these. Oh, okay. Reverse words. Return this dot join reversed sentence dot split. That? Oh, I see. I understand now. Invert a tree. Given a binary tree root, invert it so the left subtree and the right subtree are swapped, and the children are recursively inverted. Okay. If root is none, turn else. Are we just doing it in place? Self dot left wait. Root dot left, root dot right equals root dot right, root dot left, and then self dot solve, root dot left, dot solve, root dot right. Is it returning a new value? It doesn't say whether it's in place or not. I think it's not in place. Okay. Return tree. Root.val. Left equals self.solve. Root.right. Doesn't really say whether it's supposed to be. Okay, that works now. Okay. Alright, so that's that one. Search in a binary search tree. Go to binary search tree, root and an integer val, determine whether val is in the tree. Okay, well that's easy. Node equals root music. If node equal to root.val, turn true. Oh, we kind of need min-max, right? Is that how this works? Yeah, because if you're on a node, oh, you're just looking for one that has none? Yeah. Now if val is greater than root.val, then node equals node.right. Actually, we want to do if node is none, return false. Well, if we've matched, we return out. It's greater than, we set node to the right node. So if we had 4, we would try down here. Yeah, then we go that way. Well, if val is less than root. No, it should be node.val. Node.val. We can infinite loop here. I actually really like the oops, the auto indent here. It's like pretty good. It's 4 problems and you put 15 minutes. We still have how much time left? 2 minutes? We're good. We're good. Runtime error. I forgot a colon. That's a syntax error, not a runtime error. Assertion error. How could it? Oh. Easy. Easy. Okay, that was not what I wanted it to be, though. I wanted it to be 1 question. I didn't think it was gonna be 4 questions. Faster than 100%? That's because I didn't use recursion. Get fucked! Get fucked, recursive solutions! This is why iteration is better than recursion, chat. Anyway, this is I can see why this is fun. So this is pretty good. I kind of like this, but I gotta figure out how to make it not shitty. While true so fast, yeah, it's fucking zoom in. Fucking zoom in. I was going to join, but I need to make an account. Yeah, I made an account while I was watching Where's X. That's why I have an account. Also, I wouldn't be able to do the last one. Yeah, this one you kind of need to have some knowledge. And actually, I actually think including the easy and the hard and the medium ones is probably decent. We could do one medium. One medium? Does that sound fine? We did, I don't know. What do you guys want? Harder problems. I don't know. What do you think? I just haven't dug into trees a bit. Yeah, that's fair. It's fair. What do you want, chat? One medium? The mix? The mix was actually not that bad. We could do the mix. Hashcat CS, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. All right, round's about to end, so we can look at everyone's code. Congratulations. Done. Okay, so does this let me look at everyone's solution now? Literally, how though? Wait, why is this on this one? Why is it not this problem? I want to see this problem. Or is this just how what people got to? Select this UIs. It shows what you currently have open. Oh. How is this supposed to work? Ooh, how do you do this in C++? I love it. Wait, should I do one in a different programming language just so that I can unflex? Like, what if I did it in C++? Should I do all of these in C++? Is it add? I don't remember. Uh-oh. Size. What is the fucking... Is it insert? It's insert. Hey, there we go. Wow, it was super slow though. Probably because there's a much better way to do this. Anthony, watch me not flex, proceeds to flex. Insert non add? Yeah, yeah. Should we do all of them in this language? Reverse words. I actually don't know how I do this in C++. Is there split? Oh no, we opened Geek for Geeks. I don't want to use stirtoke. Oh, string stream. Yeah. String stream. String stream and a vector. Vector string vec. String stream. S stream? What is the string stream type? Why is it not highlighting it? That's just string stream. Well, it says we need a string. gonna be sloppy. For auto. Is that how that works? I forget how the reverse iterator works. We can just write a normal for loop. Right, you're supposed to use at, because that's the one that raises. I don't remember what the method is. We're gonna let the compiler tell me. Did I mostly get the rest of it right, though? Out of bounds. Where's the rest of the stack trace? N, which is this giant ass fucking number, is greater than or equal to size, which is 4. Hello? Vector reversed iterator C++. Begin. And then what do I call on it? Vec.rbegin. Then is this gonna work? God, it's been a while since I've written C++. What the fuck? This has volume? We're gonna mute that. Who just coughed? I didn't know that. I was like, what is this noise? Oh my, that was something. What the fuck was that, right? Okay, anyway, there's my C++ for this one. These ones are gonna be easier, right? C++. Pointers. What was this one? Invert it so the left subtree and the right subtree are swapped. We don't have to do memory management, presumably. If root equals null pointer, then return null pointer. Otherwise, return new tree. Root val solve root right solve root left. Do we have trailing commas in C++? Of course, need semicolons, right? Compilation error. Nope, we don't have trailing. Fucking bullshit. cool. Oh, did I not submit this one? I don't think I submitted this one. Segmentation fault. Oh. If RIT does not equal vec.rend. Hecky, but that should work, right? Yeah. Faster? Wow. Why is this faster? That doesn't feel like it should be faster. Okay, we submitted this one, alright, right? Yeah. And then we gotta do this one in C++. And then we'll run another room. Yeah? Your code is choking. That was my dog, says Pythonic Pie? Oh my god, is your dog like a 2-pack a day smoker? Like what? Coder Snack says I was attempting to do something the whole time, but I didn't want to get banned. That would have been funny. That would have been funny. Okay, so tree star current equals root while we're gonna let's see. Are you a fan of while true chat, or are you a fan of for semicolon semicolon? I kind of think this one is ugly as sin. I'm a while true fan. Oh, and then you have some people that are while one fans. I don't know how I feel about that. For true. Okay. If current is null pointer, that means we've got to the end, then we return false. Else if current val is equal to val, then we return true. So that's where we found it. Current val. Why did I type this weird? If it's greater than value, then we set current equals current to the right. I did it again. Oh, it's because of type annotations. That's why I'm doing that weirdness. Current to the left, and otherwise assert. Do you think they just import like literally every header possible? Is this gonna error because there's no return statement at the end, or is the compiler smart enough? Wrong answer. Start at root. Not null pointer in theory, so it goes here. It's not equal, so it goes here. 4 is greater than 3, so it goes to 9. Which should give it the right tree. And then loop around. Not null. Not equal. 4 is not greater than 9. Or, no, wait, 9 is greater than 4. Oh, I have these backwards. See, why is my C++ solution only 61% faster? Does it change if you were submitted again? Oh, okay. The timing is just kind of bullshit. The timing is just kind of bullshit, chat. I thought they were doing smart stuff with, like, CPU cycle counting. But... nah. It's just kind of random. Okay, but anyway, we did those 4. Do you want to do one more round, chat? One more round? Timing is relative to solutions in the same language. Yeah, but look, 92% C++. I submit the same solution again. Oh, it got the same value that time. Well, yeah, see? Now it's 61%. Same exact code. Yeah, that's kind of bullshit. But, oh well. I'll send my gripes log. Shared service. Oh, I have a funny fucking story about this too. Yeah, 1 millisecond precision is also kind of bullshit too. I have a angry story about this, where I went on a fucking tirade against a professor in college because we had this algorithms class, and there were tests that were like this in the algorithms class, where we submitted our projects and our projects were timed, and the grading servers were shared servers. They ran like 3 sets of projects at the same time. So I learned after figuring out how the machines worked, I learned you could completely fuck the timing by setting your process affinity higher. So you start up, unnice your process, and then suddenly you win all of the performance benchmarks. But the thing that was bullshit was like they were doing similar to this, like millisecond durations and problems on a shared machine, and most of the problems were IO bound. So it didn't fucking matter how fast your code was because you spent the 95% of the time reading the input file off of disk. And so if the computer was like, I don't know, had to spin the disk in the other direction, it would be really, really slow. But yeah, I was like, this is bullshit. No one fucking does performance analysis on a sample size of 1 on shared machines in IO-bound code. Like, that doesn't happen in reality. Skybridge, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. But yeah, what did your professor say? He's like, oh, we've always done it this way. Kind of works out. And it's like, well, I guess I'll submit all of my answers in the middle of the night when no one else is submitting theirs and get better scores. And play games with processor affinity. The stupid thing was the people that won got extra credit. Like, that was the dumbest part about this. And the people that didn't meet a benchmark didn't get the points. And it wasn't testing, like, algorithmic efficiency at that point. It was just testing, like, dumb fucking luck. But, anyway. Alright, we're gonna do one more of these. What do I have to do the next one? Click the ready button. Are you guys ready for one more round? Waiting for everyone to ready. Coder Snacks, Ace of Spades, Eric, press the button. Let's go. Ready Freddy, says Pythonic. Eric's ready. Just gotta get Coder Snacks. I'm too stupid for this? No, these aren't that bad. Coder Snacks, buddy. Oh, it says coder disconnected? Oh, it's gonna start. Okay, we're good. We're good. Professor doesn't like people that can explain things they don't understand. Yeah. Yeah. We're gonna do these in Python again. God, what am I gonna do on stream tomorrow? Maybe I'll... I think we'll do this CDN stuff. I think I'll bite the bullet, write some JavaScript tomorrow. Alright, there we go. Hello? Merge 2 sorted lists. Well, there's I'll just be lazy. We're going for speed. We're not going for code speed. Okay. Give a list of numbers nums. Return the number of elements that are in the correct indices if the list were to be sorted. If the list were to be sorted. Well, I can do the lazy solution. We'll do a one-liner. Return someone for her. This isn't gonna fail for empty lists. Generator must be parenthesized. Default. Is it just two? I don't remember what it's called. I think it takes two positionals. Yeah. Sick. Wow, that was faster than 50%. It's a slow ass solution. Return the sum of all the values in the tree. Okay. To do equals root, while to do node equals to do dot pop. Ret if node is not none. Ret plus equals node dot val. To do dot extend node dot left node dot right. And return red. Should work. Sick. I hate linked lists. Given a singly linked list node, return the value of the middle node if there's two nodes. Then return the second. What the fuck is this asking? Giving a singly list node, return the value of the middle node if there's two middle nodes, then return the second one. Is this like median value? I don't even know what this is asking. What is this even asking? Median? Statistics.median. Well, we're just gonna be lazy. Singly linked list node. Red equals this. While node is not 9, red dot appends node dot val. Node equals node dot next. This is not going to be a one space, but who cares? Return statistics dot median node. None type object is not iterable. This should be red. Your result 36, expected 22. It's not quite median. I think I went median low. Wait, shouldn't this have been 50? We want median high? Yeah, wait, this seems wrong. If there's two middle nodes, then return the second one. Oh, the second one by position. Second one by position. Oh, I keep doing Control S. This one's tricky. This is a bad solution. How do I change an input? How do I edit the input? Hello? Where's the... Can I not change the input? Test case, here we go. 50, 22. Mid high. Mid low. Um. Hmm. Oh, Pythonic Pi. Nice. GG. What? Why didn't I copy paste? Mid high, mid low. This is not valid. Hello? You printed 48.3, 48.3. How is the answer supposed to be 6 here? Oh, it's not median, it's the nth. Ugh. This question is stupid. It's supposed to be the nth over 2 node. Do I have a minute to solve this? Okay, so we actually need something that moves twice and something that moves once. Node 2 equals node, while node 2 is not none. Node 2 equals, well, we advance this one first. Node equals node dot next. Node 2 is not none. Node 2 equals node 2 dot next. Oh my god! Right! Just got it in the last few seconds. Okay, that was stupid. This is stupid. That was the question is bad. This question is bad. How do I leave feedback on questions? How do I say this question is bad? How do I flag? The description is confusing. This is easily confused with computing the statistical median. Perhaps it can be clarified. Okay, we clutched that one. We just barely got in under the number, and I did do it in 01 space. Look at me. Oh, Ace of Spades, you just barely. Okay, but I think that's gonna wrap us up for today. This has been a bit of a long stream for the weekday. We'll be back tomorrow. I know you want to do another Pythonic. But yeah, thank you all for stopping by. I'll see you around, Shaz. I know I'm heading out, but thank you all for hanging out with me. This was kind of fun. Just clutched that one there. But anyway, thank you all for stopping by. Let me do my little spiel, and then we'll send you off to another channel. My name is Anthony. I upload my previous content to YouTube, and that is youtube.com/AnthonyWritesCode, where you can find previous streams as well as educational content. I recently uploaded a talk that I gave at a conference recently, so check that out with my slides. I normally stream on Mondays and Saturdays, but some days I stream on random days like today. Luis Crucial, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. And I announced my stream in 2 places. One of those is Twitter. Oh, let me get you those links in the chat. Twitter and Discord. One of those places that I announce streams is Twitter, where I basically say, I'm going to be streaming in such amount of time. And then we didn't do any of these things today. I mean, we did look at them, but... bottle of wine. Perfect. We accomplished that goal. I also announced on the Discord, so you're free to join there. There's a beginner's channel if you want to ask questions. Bunch of cool people to hang out with. Bunch of other cool places to check out there. So join the Discord, hang out with us. But anyway, that's going to wrap us up for today. Thank you all for stopping by. Let's go find someone to raid.